Hello and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well and ready to plan your week ahead. It's Wednesday, and today we're bringing you a weather forecast for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Not just a report, so you can plan something fun, maybe even a little adventure. And since we've had a lot of lovely feedback about mixing weather with travel and learning English, we're doing it again today. So, let's begin with a look at the weather across the UK, then we'll explore the best place to go for a short trip. After that, we'll check in on Europe and finally, Hong Kong. Starting with the UK. We've got a pretty mixed bag of weather across the country, but one city stands out for a dry and sunny spell, and that's York. In London, it'll be mostly cloudy on Thursday and Friday, with sunny spells on Saturday. Highs of 23 degrees Celsius and lows around 15 degrees Celsius. Manchester will see light rain on Thursday, clearing by Friday. Saturday looks mostly dry. Birmingham expects partly cloudy skies with temperatures between 18 degrees Celsius and 22 degrees Celsius. Leeds will have some scattered showers on Thursday, but drying up into the weekend. Edinburgh will stay cool and breezy with some rain, highs around 17 degrees Celsius. Glasgow is looking wet and grey for most of the 3 days. Now, York is looking like a hidden gem this week. Mostly sunny from Thursday through Saturday, with daytime highs around 22 degrees Celsius and cool evenings around 12 degrees Celsius. A perfect window for a relaxing and scenic short trip. That brings us to our travel pick of the week: 3 days, 2 nights in York. If you've never been to York before, you're in for a treat. It's one of the oldest and most beautiful cities in England, famous for its Roman walls, Gothic cathedral, and charming medieval streets. On day 1, arrive in York around lunchtime. Take a relaxed walk along the old city walls to get a feel for the city. Then head over to York Minster, one of the largest cathedrals in Northern Europe. After that, enjoy dinner at the Star in the City, a riverside restaurant serving British seasonal dishes with a great view. On day 2, start your morning with a classic English breakfast at Brew and Brownie Cafe. Then, spend some time exploring the Shambles, a narrow, winding street full of quirky shops, fudge stores, and bookshops. If you're into history, don't miss the Jorvik Viking Centre for an interactive experience of Viking York. In the evening, take a ghost walk through the city. It's fun, a little spooky, and perfect for something different. On day 3, before heading back home, relax with a walk along the River Ouse or take a short river cruise. If you have time, drop by Betty's Cafe Tea Rooms for their famous afternoon tea. You won't regret it. Let's now take a quick look at the weather in Europe. Paris will be partly sunny with highs around 26 degrees Celsius. Great for a walk by the Seine. Berlin sees some cloud and a few showers, with temperatures between 18 degrees Celsius and 23 degrees Celsius. Barcelona is hot and sunny all 3 days, highs up to 30 degrees Celsius, perfect for the beach, but bring sunscreen. And finally, the weather in Hong Kong. It's going to be humid with possible rain, especially in the mornings. Highs of 29 degrees Celsius and lows around 25 degrees Celsius. Great time to visit indoor attractions or go for dim sum with friends. Before we wrap up, let me share a little story. The first time I went to York, I didn't expect much. But I ended up spending 3 hours just walking around the Shambles, eating fudge and buying antique books I didn't plan to carry home. York is like a beautiful time capsule, full of charm and surprise. So, If you're thinking about a short trip this weekend and you want a break from the big cities, York could be your perfect spot. It's relaxing, walkable, and full of character. That's all for today's forecast and travel ideas. Remember, always check a second source if you have outdoor plans. And if you've been to York before, tell us your favorite memory in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for our next Weather and Wonder video. See you next time.